What if I told you the biggest threat to artificial intelligence isn't code or even electricity? Right now, the machines training GPT-5 and powering NVIDIA's AI empire are facing a crisis no software update can fix. A gas, helium. And because of rising instability in the Middle East, the supply chain behind that gas is suddenly under pressure. If those disruptions continue, the global AI boom could face a serious shock. At the Intel Logic, we decode the hidden systems behind the future. And today, we're exposing the invisible resource war nobody is talking about. Most people think helium is just for balloons. It's not. The semiconductor industry depends on ultra-high purity helium to manufacture and cool advanced chips. ASML's extreme lithography systems require incredibly stable environments to build circuits only a few nanometers wide. And NVIDIA's next-generation AI systems generate massive amounts of heat. These data centers are becoming industrial-scale furnaces. The problem is simple. Helium is rare, it's non-renewable, and once it escapes into the atmosphere, it's gone forever. Qatar supplies a huge portion of the world's helium, but regional tensions and shipping instability around the Strait of Hormuz are raising concerns about future supply disruptions. At the same time, America's helium reserves have been shrinking for years. Russia's major helium infrastructure has also faced repeated operational problems. So, while Silicon Valley races toward artificial general intelligence, the physical materials powering that revolution are tied to some of the most unstable regions on Earth. That's the real intel. AI isn't just a software race anymore. It's a resource war. And if semiconductor factories like TSMC lose stable helium access, production slows down. You can't just pause advanced chip manufacturing halfway through. One disruption can destroy millions of dollars in hardware. That means the future of AI may depend less on algorithms and more on who controls the physical supply chain behind the machines.